Here's another TypeScript crossroad where two features do basically the same job: enums versus union types. Take this simple example. You can define a set of card suits using a union type, just a list of strings. Clean, simple, done. But TypeScript also gives you the enum keyword to do the exact same thing. So which should you use? My take: stick with unions almost every time, and here's why. First, unions are already how you handle complex types in TypeScript. Using them for simple string sets just feels consistent. You're not learning a new construct, you're using what you already know. Second, enums actually compile into real JavaScript objects that get added to your final bundle. Union types generate zero extra runtime code. It's a small difference, but it adds unnecessary overhead for no real benefit. Third, unions are just simpler to write and easier to read at a glance. Now, to be fair, enums do make refactoring easier. Change one value, it updates everywhere. That's a genuine win. But even Anders Hejlsberg, the creator of TypeScript, has said enums might not have made it into the language if they were starting over today. That says a lot.